Hey guys, I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. I'm gonna do an unboxing. I'm gonna try to do it like with the least amount of cuts because I'm having problems with my editing software. It updated and it's crazy. So I think I'm gonna get a laptop and then I'm gonna start doing it that way. But I ordered a Trackstar. I saw Rajay 111. He bought one and he runs his club races with it. So I bought one and it came in a bag or an envelope and it's all looks like it's all beat up. I'll turn the camera around here in a second. But so I bought a used roller Agama because there's a local guy there at the track. He got me into it and he said he would help me out. And it came with a Reds Nitro motor, 21. And I tried to turn it on. I got it all put together. I tried to turn it on and it high idles like crazy. So I think it's getting air somewhere. So I don't know if the bearing's bad or somewhere. So I'm gonna try to break in this Trackstar and then run it because it was pretty cheap. It was like $90 with shipping. It took a month to get here, but $90 is $90, you know. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and then face it down, and we will open the package together and we'll see what it looks like, what it entails. But I really want to get that Reds motor running. Supposedly it's only got a couple gallons in it, or a couple tanks, I mean, in it. So it should be still good. I don't understand why it's acting the way it is. I want to go nitro. I just don't want to do it as much because everyone says it's kind of expensive. I have 5 cars already. So, but that's a different story. And then I got the GLR. Man, I just can't get that car to run right. It just doesn't handle it. It's I don't know. Maybe my setup is messed up, or I need to set it up right. I bought a setup board and everything, but anyways, let me turn the camera around and we'll unbox this bad boy, and I'll get this stuff loaded up. So give me a second. All right, so here's the packaging. It's got a couple holes in it. It's kind of rough, right? It's got Republic of China. That's pretty neat. And then it says Taiwan here, so that's pretty cool. It's a little rough. Got my name on there, my P.O. box. It's got a big hole there too. See that? But that's my P.O. box. If you guys want to send me something cool like stickers or a hat, I like hats. I like stickers too. And this is where it came from. Ultron USA LLC. To Taichung City, Taiwan. So let's cut her open. Bubble wrap, and there's nothing in the envelope. So okay. Bubble wrap. Oh, it's sealed. That's cool. I thought it was just going to be bubble wrap, but it's actually sealed, so that's a good thing. Oh, it's got some foam. Ooh, I even got a screw. Man, you know how hard these are hard to find? Then I got a collet. That's cool. I wonder what what this is. Maybe a 6.5. Oh, it is a 6.5. Oh, you can't. Would it zoom in? A 6.5. That's nice. My battery's dying on the on my phone there, so I gotta hurry up. It looks good. Oh, they didn't give me no. Well, it's got a exhaust. What is this? A seal, but they didn't give me no plug, so I need to put plugs in it. And I didn't get a glow plug. But I think somebody had gotten a glow plug with theirs. Yeah, I didn't get no glow plug. It's alright. I got it. Some extras. Looks cool. It's got the name right there, Trackstar. looks pretty neat. So got, you could feel it. So it's gonna need to break in. I really like it. It sits tall. I think it seems I think it sits taller than the reds that I got in the Agama, but I can't see that. I wish I had a light. I can't see that carb. That's the only thing I don't like. I don't like that everything is open. But yeah, guys, pretty neat. I'm kind of excited about it. It's a cheap motor. Like I said, some guys are running club races with them, so might as well try it, right? And something to help me learn how to tune. So, you know, learn how to mess with all this stuff instead of buying, you know, like a $500 motor. You know, learn on this and learn how to drive on this, and then just work my way up. So I think it was a good buy for me, and we'll see how it goes. So let me try to break it in. I got more videos, so I'm gonna try to find time to do all this. But yeah, so hopefully I'll break it in, and then we'll see what it sounds like in the car. I'm gonna use the same clutch that's on the Reds. It's a ProTech clutch, 4-shoe. So I'll put it on here, and then we'll break it in. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. I got some more trucking vlogs, and I got a couple more RC videos. So, all right, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.